welcome back to another EdithNoble video. So today I'm actually going to do another craft which I haven't done in a little bit. And today I'm going to do some hand doodle art, and it's windy so everything's blowing. So this is what I've done before. This is a hand doodle art. You cut out your hand and then you decorate it however you want, and then you put it on, and I did like triangles, and then you put it on another piece of paper and then tie in the decorations so it looks kind of like this. And you can do any decorations you want. It's pretty free. It's a free-for-all pretty much. And what you'll need for this is 2 different colored pieces of paper. I did teal and orange before, now I'm doing orange and purple. You need a Sharpie, a pencil, maybe a ruler, it depends. And that's pretty much it, except for this one. Before I did triangles, but for this one I'm going to make my design circles, and I'm going to trace a bunch of different stuff. So here I have a bottle cap, another bottle cap, a small bowl, and a big bowl to trace onto the paper and then put designs in. And so you can do any design you want. You can do circles, squares, or you can do like a checkered pattern and in each little square put something different. It's really up to you. Okay, right now what you're gonna want to do is take whichever piece of paper you're putting your hand on, which I'm gonna do the purple for this. So you're gonna take your first purple piece of paper. Say that 5 times fast. Purple piece of paper. Anyway, you're gonna trace your hand in the middle of it. First with pencil, then outline it with Sharpie. And then you're going to put a design on it, like I'm doing the circles. And then you're going to cut it out. Oh, I forgot, you're gonna need glue. And then you're gonna cut it out and glue or tape it onto the other piece of paper, and then you're gonna finish the design. So right now I'm gonna do my hand. Okay, I just finished tracing my hand, and now I'm going to design it. But you have to remember, design it before you cut it out, because if you cut it out, it'll be a lot harder to do. Designing the hand, and I realized you need glue too, so I got glue stick and water, you know, why not? So I finished with the hand, and I put like all the circles and stuff. So now I'm gonna cut it out and glue it on the other paper, the orange paper that I have. So I'm gonna do that now, and then once you've done that, you can design the rest. And like the key to designing it and making it look cool is that, like here I just started out with the triangles, and then once I cut it out and put it on, I like joined up the lines, so then they're still triangles but it's a different design. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. a long time, 80% iPod battery, a glass of water, a bowl of popcorn, half a Sharpie, and probably part of this card storage later. We have the finished product. The finished product is, drumroll please. So I did a bunch of different stuff, and it's a lot more busy than I thought it was gonna be. Like there's a lot more going on. And I was gonna put stripes in the background, like little tiny stripes, kind of like that, but in the background. And then I looked at it once I finished all the circles, and I was like, there's a lot going on. I'm not adding something else. So I left it like this, and I think it looks pretty cool. Here's my other one. This one looks pale in comparison to this. We've got two left hands. So yeah, it took a while because you need to do so many different things, and it's okay to repeat like different, what's it called, designs. So, well, now that I didn't do the stripes, I was thinking I put a lot of like checkerboard. I should have just put stripes since I wasn't gonna put stripes in the background. Yeah, too late now. But one of the things that I forgot to say about it is that, well, here's the Sharpie, is that you don't want to do anything in pencil except tracing your hand. That's the only thing you do in pencil for two reasons. Number one, it would take a heck of a lot longer. And number two, because you would be doing it twice. It just took me like an hour and a half. I don't want to do 3 hours worth of this. And because it's doodle art, and when you do doodling, normally you don't make it into a masterpiece. You just do it, and whatever it is, it is. So, yeah. And I think this is a great craft to do. It takes a good bit of time, but I think it's worth it in the end, and it's not particularly hard, it's just time consuming. So, there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe. Be sure to go and follow my Musical.ly, it's EdithNoble. My Instagram, it's EdithNobleDesign.com. And of course, subscribe here to EdithNoble, YouTube, and go check out the blog post that's going to be up about this on my website, EdithNobleDesign.com. Bye.